How to play YouTube music on Alexa Echo Dot. So make sure your device is already paired to the app itself. So the Alexa app, you can go ahead and download that in your Play Store or App Store. Search for Amazon Alexa, download it. Go ahead to the plus button over here in the top right and press on device. Here you will be able to find your Amazon Echo or whatever device you have. In our case, an Alexa Echo Dot. So just go ahead and search for that here. In case it's directly here in the very top. Press on Echo Smart Speakers, which includes the dot. Make sure the Bluetooth device of this device is on so that you can go ahead and pair it up. So allow these options over here. Then you can go ahead and connect your devices. Once your Echo Dot is connected, go ahead to the devices in your app, choose the Echo Dot, and inside the settings itself, you will be able to see the Bluetooth connections. Here, you're gonna have to press on connect a device. So once you press on that, it will show something like this. So on your next phone or next device or your third device, since you have three devices in general, your phone with the app, your phone that will be connecting to the Echo Dot, and the Echo Dot itself. So make sure you have those. Then finally here, you'll be able to find the devices here once you've turned on the Bluetooth. So make sure the Bluetooth is on for your third device. Then it will show up over here like this. Click on that, and then it will be connected to your phone, your third device to your Echo Dot. So just go ahead and open up YouTube from your third device, and you should be able to play YouTube music there. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.